going to the beach. Well, you coming with us? Well, even if you don't want to, just come along with us, okay? I was heading to the beach around west. Well, my friend says she wanted to get it overly at the IMM mall, so I think I got there a bit early. Well, technically I wasn't early, she was a bit late. She just got to Singapore yesterday, so we couldn't wake up on time. But it was fine. I was just walking around the shopping mall and observing what kind of shops they have. I could say there are many outlet stores with amazing discount prices. Then I went to Changi Airport to pick up one of my friends. And we went to Sentosa and walked around. I was lost a bit and couldn't find where the counter was, and finally got into the SkyTrain. You can get there with either a bus or a SkyTrain. When we took a SkyTrain, I mean, look at the view. It's to die for. Shuffle. It was free. Well, I don't actually remember the name of the beach, but it was at the end of the beach shuffle way. We purposely stayed till the night time, and then we rolled back home around 8 p.m. So this is all for the video. Thanks for watching.